Bitcoin is
BlackRock
legitimate.
1
It's
billion
amazing.
in Bitcoin.
Most people don't know about this.
An instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though.
I think they're trying to distract you with other things.
Take a look at what
I agree.
happened.
Like, I'm surprised this is flying under the radar.
But it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you to have uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns.
BlackRock has purchased $1 billion worth of Bitcoin in July alone, and the month is not over. You gotta think.
That is crazy. Like $1 billion in 1 month? Pay attention, people.
Larry Fink has a much bigger plan for all of this. The info is as follows. Investment giant BlackRock purchased over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin in July, including $107 million acquisition on July 18th alone.
Damn. And we got like another 10 days left in this month.
This aggressive buying spree is part of a broader trend that has seen the BlackRock issued iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, their ETF, consistently attract millions from investors. And this is despite the market jitters that we've seen over the past month with the Mt. Gox creditors selling or Germany selling. During that period, IBIT, BlackRock, their ETF, saw 9 consecutive days of inflows. People just kept buying, leading one analyst to say, almost in disbelief, this is a total acceleration of inflows. Yes, July has been a landmark month for BlackRock and their ETF, with the highest single-day inflow reaching 260 million July 16th. This is BlackRock's ETF chart alone.
This is crazy. Like BlackRock is literally was anti-Bitcoin like 2-3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, and then they realized let's just buy it all, because if they don't buy it all now, then they're gonna miss on an opportunity. And whoever the smart minds that are in that office were like, yo, we can't miss out on this opportunity. Changed Larry Fink's mind, and now they're buying $1 billion worth just in July. This is like wild. Like, because 4 years ago, this was like unheard of, BlackRock and Bitcoin.
Simply sensational. My question to you is, what do you think Larry Fink's bigger plan for all of this is?
And they're also talking about tokenization and stuff like that. So I'm curious, what do you think Larry Fink's bigger plan is with buying all this Bitcoin and BlackRock? And like, I'm curious, what do you think made them change their mind and just start buying a bunch of Bitcoin?
Obviously, there's more to it than just Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been highly successful, but the Ethereum ETFs are about to launch next week, BlackRock and many others. We're going to have the Solana ETFs next, presumably. So yeah, what do you think BlackRock is planning? Now, I'll tell you, it has something to do with this. BlackRock's Buildle tokenization fund just hit 500 million in assets under management. So you know BlackRock's Buildle, you know it uses Ethereum rails. BlackRock is trusting Ethereum right now to hold and service $500 million in assets under management. And the growth that we've seen with this in the past month or so.
That's crazy. $500 million, and the Ethereum ETF already got approved, so it's just a matter of time before other ETF also get approved. But BlackRock is typically the market mover, so if you pay attention to what they're doing, like, they're doing this for a reason, because they know the future is crypto. So all they're doing is just laying their eggs, planting them, and they're like, okay, you guys don't know what's going on. And when their eggs hatch, it's like too late, because they've made billions, if not trillions of dollars off of investing early. And they probably were buying Bitcoin at $1,000, and we only know about what they're doing now. Who knows?
Though has been significant. Key partnerships include Securitize, Circle, and Ondo Finance. They've been crucial in Buildle's development and integration with the DeFi ecosystem. So what does all this mean? What exactly is BlackRock's Buildle? How exactly are they working with these companies? So Buildle is issued on Ethereum, as stated. It's an ERC20 token. It allows Web3 institutions to access real-world returns without navigating complex on and off-ramp processes. With Securitize is acting as a regulator-recognized transfer agent, enabling the use of public blockchains as the primary accounting tool for recording ownership and transfers of issued assets. This partnership has effectively bridged the gap between traditional finance and the blockchain world, recording ownerships and transfers. Where have I heard that talked about before?
I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities.
And he's right. If you guys don't know what tokenization means, it's just tokenizing an asset. So let's just say the same way there's shares of a company and those shares are being shared and it's a piece of paper, imagine just taking that company, tokenizing it, and instead of issuing stocks, you just issue tokens for that company. So everything's going to be tokenized on the blockchain. You won't be able to give your friend free shares. Everything will be more open inclusion, so you can just see everything and transparent. So this is huge. Pay attention.
And if we could have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement.
And then we have Circle. You know, Circle has a stable coin, USDC, it's multi-chain. Circle's involvement with Blackrock has further enhanced BUIDL's utility by introducing a contract allowing real-time exchanges of BUIDL for USDC. Very important. This feature provides token holders with unprecedented liquidity options, setting a new standard for tokenized funds. And then finally, Ondo Finance. I know a lot of people in our audience are fans of Ondo Finance. Ondo is currently the largest holder of BUIDL tokens and has utilized this asset to create its own money market fund product, OUSG. This multi-layered approach allows stable, real-world returns to flow into the DeFi ecosystem, benefiting a broader range of investors. So it's pretty eye-opening to see how deep BlackRock is going. They're not concerned with FUD at all. They just keep building, launching, and onboarding new users and new money, institutional money. And taking a look at Ondo versus other top entities, Ondo just passed BlackRock in TVL for tokenized treasuries. Mega bullish. All of this is leading me to this point. Bitcoin is oversold, meaning expect buying pressure. Bitcoin's price is too low as of now. And this is not just according to me. This is actually from a report from ARK Invest. Bitcoin miners seem to have capitulated along with a harbinger of bullish reversals. The point is, my friends, that Bitcoin is stair-stepping its way up to this resistance level, up to the all-time high actually. And I expect we break above all-time highs sooner rather than later. Maybe not this month, maybe not even August, but by September, I would bet that we break all-time highs. Certainly sometime this year. I mean, it's hard to say exactly when. I think there's plenty of reason to be bullish. I mean, just take a look at what's happening. As reported by the New York Post and then retweeted by Michael Saylor, Bitcoin has now become a political force.
There are 3 things to know about why Trump's VP pick is significant for cryptocurrency. 1, JD Vance is the first candidate on a presidential ticket to own Bitcoin. He owns more than $100,000 worth of it. And the fact that he's just 39, he's also the first millennial on a ticket, means that younger crypto fans feel he understands their priorities. He can also open a PDF without someone helping.
That's actually a good point, so everything is changing, and let me know what you think about JD Vance as the vice presidential nominee. Do you think he's going to be pro-crypto throughout his candidacy, or do you think he's not going to be pro-crypto? Let me know in the comments.
Helping him. 2, around 40 million Americans now own cryptocurrency. That's according to a Pew Research poll that came out earlier this year. That means nearly 20% of Americans have some sort of interest in what happens to Bitcoin, making them a new and pretty serious voting coalition. 3, it's not just Vance who's pro-crypto. The entire Republican Party has embraced that. They even added a line in their platform about the importance of crypto. Now, the Trump campaign is also close with many Bitcoin advocates, and Trump is going to be the first former president to speak at the Bitcoin conference next week.
Now, the other side of the coin, or maybe this is just proof of concept here, Trump says he'll release a 4th NFT collection, saying the people...
Trump is the man for dropping NFTs. Let me know in the comments if you bought a Trump NFT too.
Want me to do another one. Trump's presidential campaign has raised about $3 million in crypto, mostly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, is the crypto community asking for a 4th NFT collection? I mean, Trump does have a lot of diehard fans, maybe more Trump fans are asking for a fourth NFT collection. Who do you think he's referencing when he says the people want me to do another one? And in altcoin news, we've been keeping you updated on this for quite some time now, and it's set to happen September 4th. Polygon is set to migrate their Matic token to Pol token September 4th. The network aims to expand Pol token's utility as part of its Polygon 2.0 roadmap, and they're describing this new iteration of their token as a hyper-productive token capable of providing valuable services to any chain in the Polygon network, including the AG layer. And really, this token is just going to be a whole lot more functional than their Matic token. Pol will become the main gas and staking token for all Polygon networks, automatic conversion for Matic holders on Polygon POS. Others must follow specific migration steps. So the conversion is just going to be one-to-one. Who else is getting excited for Bitcoin Nashville next week? I'm getting excited. Hope you come see our presentations. I think the convention center is going to be packed, everybody wanting to see Trump's keynote. You can use code ALTCOINDAILY for 10% off, info linked below. And yeah, we are expecting Trump to make a major announcement of some kind at the conference regarding Bitcoin and his policy if he becomes president. So I'm still curious to get your thoughts on our post on the Roundtable app. I'm going to link this exact post below. Make sure you head on over and engage with us in the comments section below. We'll be engaging with you here. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily, guys.
Yeah, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.
Fantastic year in crypto, and next year. See you tomorrow.